Hello guys, Snore Critic here, and I'm looking forward to reviewing this film today since I had no other choice but to review this film, Shriek, if you know what I did last one. Well, it surely does suck for some people, but in my perspective, it's pretty good actually. If you want to check out this film, go ahead. I mean, surely there was some stupid jokes to this film, but in my opinion, it's not all that bad. I mean, it pretty much, it also didn't even get a soundtrack. What the hell? I mean, this, okay, surely the plot, surely the plot's dumb, but people gotta realize this actually is much better than any other spoofs that are out there. I mean, some people review it and still find it pretty good. I mean, yeah. So, if you guys want to check this film out, go ahead. Yeah, pretty much. And also, it has the trailer on here, you know. It's pretty cool, actually, the trailer. I mean, probably people thought the trailer was pretty good than the film. But, go ahead and check it out, and yeah. And pretty much that's my perspective. No spoiling we're doing of this film. So I wanted you guys to check it out. And this has been Snore Critic, and see you guys later. Peace out.